How to sign up or create a Coinbase account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can create a Coinbase account or how you can sign up for Coinbase. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to create a Coinbase account, what you can do is simply open up the Coinbase application. Now, if you're on the application, all you have to do is open up Coinbase, and then it'll ask you for your login ID or it'll ask you for sign up. You can see the sign up or sign in option. If you wish to sign up, simply tap on sign up and then go ahead and enter in your name and details. Follow the prompts and enter in all the details. Make sure to enter in the legal name as it appears on your government issued ID, because you'll have to later submit a proof. So if the names do not match, you'll not be able to verify your ID and log in or register. So if you want to do it on the browser, all you have to do is simply head into coinbase.com/signup, as you can see on the screen, and you can sign up directly using your email account as well. So you can choose the email account that you wish to sign up with and then choose the account and then enter in all other details that it asks for, and then make sure to verify it because it will ask you for verification, that is your government issued ID and your photo and such. So hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.